All my pain in the upper neck and especially the head and a dozen of other neurologic symptoms literally exploded after a series of high velocity, high thrust chiropractic neck manipulations, the thing when they crack your neck basically. This happened in June 2022 at a local chiropractor office here in Toronto near Bathurst and Shepherd. The diagnosis was later confirmed from a specialized US neurosurgeon, Dr. Henderson in Maryland, and also the Spanish neurosurgeon, Dr. Gillette. Based on measurements from the upright MRI with flexion extension I underwent in Maryland, the diagnosis is known as chronic craniosacral instability, or acronym CCI, and is related to the failing of the deep ligaments of the upper neck. Injury of upper neck ligaments is one of the different serious complications from high-velocity chiropractic neck manipulation, and that's why nobody should do them. Apart from being useless, as confirmed by various serious medical articles published to date, they can be extremely dangerous. When I complained to the Ontario Chiropractic Association, they of course defended the chiropractor who runs Downsview Chiropractic in Toronto because he's a member and pays the fee, and probably knows the border members too. By doing so, they also ignored the report from another chiropractor I went after I got so unwell. But this one was a specialized Atlas orthogonal AO chiropractor near Toronto. Basically, he used his digital motion X-ray DMX machine to confirm laxity of the alar and transverse ligaments in my neck. In case you want to go visit a chiropractor and you discuss this with your family doctor priorly, I didn't, my bad, at least you should only go to a Nucca or AO Atlas orthogonal chiropractor. In late 2022, there were only 2 Atlas orthogonal chiropractors, one in Markham and one in Mississauga. They do not use thrust or force during neck adjustments. Take X-rays and it is much more safe and precise if the vectors are right compared to any other form of manipulations. But why doesn't any chiropractor switch to Nucca or AO? Or why don't the chiropractic boards encourage them to do so? Probably because of the cost associated with the certifications, the tools, X-ray machines needed, member fees, and the learning curve, like not everyone has the skills or willpower to learn new things. Your local chiropractor most probably is not specialized in AO or Nucca, which means it could be extremely dangerous apart from useless. The only thing you might want to check at a traditional chiropractor is some low back pain issues, and only allow them to use an actuator, so always avoid thrust and forceful manipulations. Also, I wouldn't trust any traction machine or any other device if they use one. I certainly wish I should have gone to a Nucca or AO rather than a traditional neck mangler, but I didn't know better at the time. I will link 2 links in the description for you to find the nearest certified AO or Nucca practitioner based on your location, and please ignore anyone else that shows on Google search. I'm also showing a Facebook awareness page with testimonies of people that are living in serious disability because of these high velocity thrust neck manipulations. You can read the symptoms yourself. You can also find videos and articles related to this topic that should convince even the most skeptics out there. But of course, no scientific evidence or testimony will ever convince those people or organizations who have a business interest in such practice. Keep that in mind. So spread the word and be cautious out there.